Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to test your Shopify checkout without using real money. All right, let's begin. First, go to Settings in your Shopify admin panel located at the bottom left corner. From there, click on Payments to access your payment gateways. Here, select Choose a Provider and pick the Bogus Gateway. This is a special Shopify feature that lets you simulate transactions without using real money, making it perfect for testing your checkout system. Once activated, navigate to your store and add a product to the cart. At checkout, enter 1 as the credit card number to simulate an approved transaction. This allows you to see a successful purchase without involving real money. To test other scenarios, enter 2 to simulate a declined transaction or 3 to emulate a gateway failure. These options help ensure your store handles errors correctly and displays proper messages to customers. So that's basically how you can test your Shopify checkout without using real money. That's it for this video. Thanks.